Okay, alternator change, 2012 Honda Civic. My battery started to die because alternator was going out. This is the replacement one. I just put it back on, got the bolts in, but I wanted to show like a tip that maybe some other videos aren't showing. So like with your replacement one, you do unplug 10mm, pinch, squeeze, take off the 210s right here, right, for the little heat shield. Okay, so just by using the old one, we already know the long 12 is here. Okay, so it's like that in the car. Just take your finger and go straight down and you'll feel the bolt for the other 12. It's a short 12. Okay, I put grease, also sprayed WD-40 here, just so when you use the pry bar it comes out a lot easier and quicker. Okay, so yeah, 19mm for that belt tensioner. Use like a pry bar or a pipe. I use the pipe on a wrench, 19mm wrench. Right there, push up, slide it off. Okay, all these things are self-explanatory. Pinch, squeeze, pinch, squeeze. Okay, this one here on the back side, pinch, slide out. All right, if you're having trouble, then just take off this 10. Take that off, that way you can get more leverage and space to use like pliers to pinch and squeeze. And yeah, use like a pliers, the angled one, to pinch this off, to pull this out, because otherwise mine broke because it's all old, so they get brittle because it's plastic. But yeah, that was the easiest method for me. I used not so long of a deep socket. So like this is your deep socket 12, right, and this is like the half, so it's kind of like a mini deep socket. That's the one I use for that bottom 12. Okay, because if you use the full size one, you're actually gonna get stuck here with your ratchet and hit the frame. So I found it's best just to either use a short one and use an extension, or try to do what you can by hand until you can get the ratchet on there and then tighten it down. But yeah, also to just wiggle around so you get the bolt in, that way it's aligned. That'll make it easier to line up the bottom one, and then just jiggle it till you start threading it. That'll go in and without like cross threading it, and then pretty much everything else is reverse order. Tighten that down, tighten the bottom one down, plug everything back, put your belt tension, put your timing belt back on, do the battery. You know, make sure you didn't like take everything off, so you don't have to redo the timing belt. Otherwise, you can always Google it, look that up. But yeah, this is pretty easy. Probably like a 30-minute to an hour job. Preparation took me longer than actual removal. So yeah, just my little advice. Just, it's right there. It's literally the only bolt right there. You don't want that bolt. Okay, right there. That one's the wrong one. Okay,